OK。さあ、白糸の滝にやってまいりました。街中は暑いですけど、やっぱりここはちょっと涼しいです。It's very cool place because sea level is about 700 meter and near waterfront. That's why very nice, comfortable tempo. Tempo じゃねえよ。Temperature. Yes. Here we are. 白糸ウォーターフォール。Oh, you guys are here. Please wait a moment. Official camera. Oh, MJ wear white shirt. Good. Stay cool. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, what? Again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Perfecto. Hey. Yay. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh, not everyone. Come on. Erika. Yeah. Prepare. Hey, everybody. Again. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Cool. Are you sure? If you really want to go. Come on. If you really want to go, come on. I'm filming.
What's the best way to get
No
in?
time. Shoo. Oh, I want to touch. Do you want to touch water? Okay, go ahead. Yeah, let's go. Okay, come on. Yeah. ここで脱ぐの？向こうで脱ぎゃいいじゃん。Okay. You can take your clothes off. Down. Yeah. From here.
Okay, so you keep that for me.
Okay, I will keep it. Okay, enjoy guys. ちょっと持っててよ。Oscar, you already wear swimsuit.
I'm going in.
Okay, come on.
Oh man, okay.
Yeah.
Do I just jump out there or what?
No, over there.
Just sit.
Yeah, just sit.